Russia demonstrated its most advanced Korsar reconnaissance drone at the Army 2019 International Military and Technical Forum for the first time. As the drone's accompanying materials indicate, the Korsar belongs to the class of short-range reconnaissance drones. The drone has a maximum takeoff weight of 200 kilograms, and a flight range of 120 kilometers. The Korsar can develop a speed of 120 to 150 kilometers per hour, at an altitude of up to 5,100 meters. Its flight duration is 10 hours. The drone is equipped with a 50 horsepower piston engine. Eventually, it will get a 70 horsepower power unit. The Lithuanian armed forces have received the first two Vilkas infantry fighting vehicles, according to a report by the Ministry of National Defense Republic of Lithuania. On June 25, first two of 88 Vilkas IFVs were delivered to Lithuanian armed forces. Also added that after a year of intense testing in training areas, and testing centers of Germany and the Netherlands, serial production of the squad-level fighting vehicles for the Lithuanian armed forces has started. Vilkas IFVs have been made by a German manufacturer ARTSK, according to the requirements of the Lithuanian armed forces. The vehicles have Israel-made turrets, 30mm Mk-44S cannons and Spike LR anti-tank missiles, other specialized equipment and electronic systems.